everyone, my name is Katya with Lunar Sun Creations, and today I have a little mini album share with you. So this album I made it using my own paper collection called Merry and Bright. I will link below a walkthrough of that paper collection so you can check it out in more depth. It is available in my Etsy shop now. It's a 20 page collection, all 8.5 by 11 designs with a couple sheets of card designs and smaller like cut-aparts. So the page designs in this little album, there's just 2 pages, 1 signature, 2 pages, and the page designs are actually from my old tutorial, my old steampunk tutorial, which I put out a couple years ago, which is also available in my Etsy shop. And I just wanted to show you that you don't have to necessarily use every single design in every album tutorial. My tutorials tend to be quite huge, you know, very, very big albums, but I just wanted to show you with this that you do not have to use every single page design in your album. You can just choose 2 and put those together to make a smaller album. This is a pocket. I forgot to put a tag in the pocket there. Hello, Zuri. Buddy. He's such a camera hog. And then this goes up. There's an buddy. And this goes down. You are making this very difficult. And then these go out to the side and they go down. I left these parts blank so that you can just do some photos and journaling. 4x6 photos fit perfectly in there. Okay, buddy, you're super cute, but you're really in my way. You're really in the way. Yes, you are. Super in the way. This gold piece, I just wanted to mention that this gold piece and this red piece are not from the collection, the Merry and Bright collection. Were just in my own stash, but all the rest of the pieces are. Can you just give me 2 minutes, please? Apparently not. You're gonna say hi to everybody? Hi. Say hi, everybody. Now you're gonna be shy? Hi. Okay, you go here for just a minute. Okay, I'm going to try and get through the rest of this. I just feel I don't want anyone to be intimidated by some of my large tutorials and just show you that there are different ways to do them. So I, just took 2 page designs, put them together, and you've got a great little album. So it's an alternating kind of waterfall. I just left those blank again because they're perfect for 4x6 photos. I want to make sure there is lots of room for photos. And then that all closes up. And then this is a large pocket. And in the pocket, I have one of the pages from the collection. And then this whole thing opens up. And is that everything? I think that was everything. And then the back cover, and I left this open up here so you could put a photo down in there. So really quick and simple. I mean, this album, it took me a full afternoon, but it was, it doesn't have to be a couple weeks in the making to make an album. You can, buy 1 tutorial and make like, 8 different albums with it. So again, this is my Merry and Bright paper collection and using 2 of the page designs from an old tutorial called Steampunk. I hope you love this. I think it turned out great. I'm really, really quite happy with how it turned out. This on the front here is one of the kind of card designs, and then I've taken this poinsettia from another piece and cut it out and popped it up so it's a little bit dimensional then there, and just a simple ribbon closure, and that's it. So very easy peasy to do. And yeah, I'm gonna be making a few more of these because I've got a lot of page designs. Whenever I make a tutorial, I do it like I create the entire album 3 times, once to design the pages, once to take video of the page designs, and then once to take pictures of it. So I have many page designs, and I'm like, I need to use these up in some way, so I'm gonna start doing a few of these just to show you how my tutorials can be used in different ways. Alright, I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you again very soon. Be kind to one another. Bye!